Hello. Today we're going to show you how to fix an iPhone 6s. You will need iSesame, a star, a prior, and a Phillips. Just to let you know, Ifixyourcell is not responsible for any mishaps you may have regarding your cell phone repair. Alright, now let's get to it. First, you're going to have to take out these two little bottom screws which holds down the screen. Then you will get the iSesame, and you have to be very careful because there is an adhesive down here which is to help prevent from water to get in. Well, according to Apple anyway. Trust me, it's going to be a lot harder for you guys if it's your first time opening the phone. Then you get your Phillips, and you will first start with these back plates. Then you get your little plier, and be very careful. You do not want to mess up these connectors. Once you mess up these connectors, it's pretty much all she wrote. This is the adhesive I was talking to you about. Let's put this to the side. You're gonna want to start up here. This is your speaker assembly / proximity sensor and Siri microphone. Gotta be extremely careful here. You do not want to mess up your proximity sensor. And you do not want to mess up your FaceTime / Siri microphone. Because then, you know, bye-bye Siri. Alright, let's get back to it. Be very careful, you do not want to strip these. You're gonna want to be careful here. There we have it. get the new screen all up and running. I'm gonna line this up perfectly. Also over here, you want to line up each of these metal prongs to each of these little circles. Otherwise you won't be able to hear from your ear speaker. Then come to connecting. Once again, you start off with this connector over here. Do not force anything. You will break it. Finally, we put these last two pieces back in. First to come out, last to go in. Boom, there you have it. Working iPhone 6s. And that's about all it takes to do an iPhone 6s. Brought to you by iFix. Alright. Thank you and have a wonderful day.